We're going to do it again because we've been getting some good we've been getting some good paces. Here we go. You ready? I'm not happy. But it was quite dramatic a minute ago. Let's try it again.
Wow. She is not a fan, not a fan.
It's green beans.
Not bananas. I'm taking my jacket in with me.
Okay. Let's try it again. Let's see if we can get it again. Is Mommy being cruel? It's going to take some getting used to, this whole thing called vegetables, huh? Maybe we can bust out some bananas for dessert. Mom smells the cinnamon and is like, gimme, gimme. We need to stop and get you something to eat before we go. And she didn't want Subway.
Oh, there's cream cheese in there too.
One more.
It's just that I've been drinking coffee all day and now Coke, and she wants me to go sit for 2.5 hours in a movie.
You don't have to go, Mom.
No.
There you go. You're getting used to the green beans now, huh? You're still opening your mouth. Those are pretty good fish sticks, Mom. They're Trust the Gordon Fisherman. Oh yeah, they're better from the oven. Because there's always a woman in this house to come do it for him. There's always a woman in this house to come do it for him. Okay, all done.